Okay, we are doing lab number 9 for Physics 152, Activity 1, lenses. We have our source, our optical track, our 3 lenses, and our screen. Following the instructions, I've placed the thickest lens far away from the source such that a sharp image is formed on the screen. It's difficult to see there, but I've resolved it as much as possible. That's just a diminished inverted image of our source. And I'm going to identify the position here. If we look closely, it looks like it's at about 88.85 centimeters, and our screen is positioned at 100 centimeters. So I can go ahead and take that difference, and I'm going to approximate that as my focal length for my lens. And the reason why I can actually do that is because if I look at the lens maker's equation, if I make my object distance long enough, that is, the distance from the source to the lens, if I make that large enough, then when I do 1 divided by that, that number is going to be fairly small compared to the other terms. So that term is more or less ignorable. So then this distance here is approximately my focal length. Not quite, but just about, close enough. And I'm going to repeat this process for the other 2 lenses, keeping in mind that the red is also a converging lens, just thinner in the center, and the green is my diverging lens. So it shouldn't form a real image, but we're going to double check just in case.